Hello and welcome back. Today I'm checking out one of Hidizs' latest wired audiophile earphones, and I think this earbuds is pretty cool. So let's check it out. So there's quite a lot to love about these earbuds. First of all, you're not getting an analog earbuds, but you're getting a digital cable here, which also built in with a DAC. Spec-wise, you're getting an ES ST2 AC Pro DAC built into the connector of the device here itself, and making these earbuds great for converting crappy audio into great audio. And it also supports PCM at 32 bit, 384 kHz, DSD 128, and if you buy this model, the ST2 Pro, it supports MQA as well, which according to Hidizs, the non-Pro ST2 model does not come supported with MQA. Well, you also get flexibility with this IEM, because if you don't like to use this digital DAC cable, simply swap it out with any 0.78mm 2-pin cable right over here. So just swap this out to any of your favorite cables with an analog plug, whether it's 3.5 or 4.4mm, and you're good to go. So you don't need to worry of getting stuck with the same cable all the time. And also with the cable, you're getting an inline remote with a mic, which is rare to find on an IEM, because these earbuds are not designed just for audiophiles but also for gamers or people who wants to use it for conference calls. These are actually quite versatile. You also get good spec with these earbuds as well. You get a very low THD of 0.0012%, a power rating of 70 milliwatts at 32 ohms, and a signal to noise ratio of 118 decibels, which is really good as well. And the overall cable that you get here is also good stuff, where you get a 6N high purity oxygen free cable with 4 strands mixed wired with 260 cores. These are also braided cables, so it's also strong and less prone to tangles as well. So on top of that, Hidizs also throws in a leather-like pouch so you can carry your earbuds everywhere that you go. And it also has a pretty cool mechanism at the top for you to open and close your case. So if you buy these earbuds not wanting to change the cables, do note that the original cable that it comes with is not the longest, but pretty standard at 1.2 meters. Considering that you might use this for your PC, connectivity to the back of your PC may be too far out for this cable. So the ideal use case for these earbuds is mainly with your Type-C phone or tablet. So the sound signature here resembles a slightly warmer, more powerful V-shaped signature. Reason I list it here is not because I dislike the sound signature. In fact, I quite like this type of warmer V-shaped sound signature, but for many who buys in-ear monitors to really hear details into every frequencies, I feel that these earbuds might provide a more dynamic signature versus a cleaner, brighter sound signature. So that's something you might want to consider when you're buying these earbuds. So depending on when you're watching this video, check out the links below to find out the latest pricing for the ST2 Nebula series, whether in Hidizs' own website or in Kickstarter. So if you find value in what you hear and like what you see, do subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so the YouTube algorithm can pick this up. And if you want to buy this IEM, do check out my links below. So compatibility wise, this earbuds works very well with most devices that have a Type-C port interface, and is great with devices such as laptop, phones, tablets, but I don't think this would be a best pairing for DAP, since you really don't need to further convert the audio from a device that potentially have a bigger, better chipset. This earbuds mostly works with plug and play convenience to the devices that I have. It works with my Windows laptops with almost immediate detection, and I can start playing audio on it very quickly. It works great as well on my MacBook Pro via the Type-C port, as well as my iPad with Type-C as well. So simply plug the earbuds into the port and you're good to go. So these earbuds don't only work great for music listening as well, it's a great companion if you like to watch movies, videos, work conference calls, or even game with it, since you get zero latency with the wired connection. So to the most exciting part of this earbuds, the sound signature, and in my view this earbuds is firm, solid and confident. It gives you this really strong punchy sound signature that you definitely will enjoy. And I listened to Hoist the Colors by the Valor Man, and damn, this earbuds just plays it differently. You literally hear the power in the deep vocals that they have, and the percussion behind just hits all the right notes. And if you're a bass head, then bass performance here doesn't disappoint at all. You're gonna get satisfyingly deep rumbling sub bass here, which are not only deep but sounds clean and high resolution as well. It doesn't have the thickness I hear with some really deep earbuds, but considering that this is an IEM, it definitely deserves praise. Also, the mid-bass punch, firm and solid, and drum kicks will sound fantastic on these earbuds. So mid vocals here sounds great, and I do detect a small tiny recess, maybe around 5 to 10% recess. So if you imagine a flat plane where the bass, highs and vocals will be on the same plane, the vocals is just slightly deep behind about 10%, meaning you get that slightly warm with a very mild V-shaped tuning would offer, but not so deep that you get low resolution mids. So highs here also sounds really good, but I feel it could be a bit brighter than its standard tuning. You're still going to get good sparkles and shine, but I do hope that the higher end frequencies could be a little brighter and it'll make these earbuds quite perfect. So overall, for an IEM, this earbud sounds pretty damn fantastic. So this is a test to see if the Hidizs ST2 Pro Nebula is a good earbud for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So the volume you get with these earbuds is extremely impressive, no joke here, and with the earbuds pumping out a power of 70 milliwatts on both sides at 32 ohms impedance, it gives you sufficient power to convert from any of your devices, and I get a comfortable listening volume at merely 20% volume. So loud volume for me starts at 45% volume. Anything above that is really too loud for me, and I recommend not listening to it so loud to not damage your ears. And this volume level is actually tested on an iPad Air 13-inch with the Type-C port. So that's your basic benchmark over there. So the thing I like about these earbuds is the simplicity you get with them. So with its simple transparent resin build, high quality materials, and a really cool cable that comes with it, I think it's definitely something that you will love. Plus, as I mentioned earlier, Hidizs is throwing in a free leather-like case along with this IEM, so there is a place for you to store your IEMs away if you're not using them. So starting with the earbuds itself, you're getting a simple resin build here, and it's nice that Hidizs made this transparent so you can actually see the inner workings of your earbuds, and I quite like this design here. It has a bit of smoke black design. At the top here, you're going to see the Hidizs Nebula branding along with the left or right indicator, and you get a nice metal ear guides with this IEM, but they are not removable, so you cannot swap it out in the future or customize your earbuds further. And inside the earbuds is also a 10.2mm dynamic driver. So the earbuds are connected via a standard gold-plated 0.78mm 2-pin plug, which is a pretty universal plug, so you can pick out any cable that you like to connect it to these earbuds. The cable you get here is pretty thin, but they're still pretty cool. You get a braided fabric cable about 1.2 meters long, and here you get a 6N high purity oxygen free copper cable, which Hidizs claims is a 4-strand mix with a total of 260 cores, which is quite good for an earbuds. So with the cable, you're also going to get an inline remote and mic combo, and the mic quality here is also really good and clear, and you're going to get a simple one-button operation with the controls here. And also the connector that you get with these earbuds is mainly a Type-C connector, which makes these earbuds fully digital. So you're not getting any analog auxiliary jack with. And this jack here is pretty high-tech because it's a DAC on its own and a pretty small one as well. So you can use it directly with any Type-C devices and it'll convert the signal using its onboard DAC. Great if your device comes with a basic or low-grade sound card. So overall, I personally love this IEM. Its execution is simple and on point, focusing on all the right aspects like sound quality and DAC performance. And I feel if you're in this price range and want a digital IEM that works great with most of your devices via Type-C, then this definitely is a fantastic choice. So if you also want to check out a great sounding IEM from Moondrop that I've recently checked out, then the Moondrop Cadence right over here is definitely an earbud that you need to check out, and I'll see you over at that video.